Under the dappled shade of old sycamores, a man in a navy coat sat on a bench, fingers tracing the intricate carvings of a small wooden box. Across the path, a woman in sunglasses checked her watch, glancing his way. At precisely noon, she rose, strolling past him. Their hands brushed for a moment, just long enough for the box to pass between them. The man stood, pocketing a plain black case she'd left behind. Neither looked back. The woman vanished into the crowd, a faint smile on her lips, the puzzle box now hers to unravel.